Hi traders, this is Subhan here from 200forexwebs.com. So guys, today we will take a live trade and I will explain you that why I have taken a live trade, and maybe you will also be getting a signal from here as well. So guys, as you can see, I'm using the indicators, and for right now I'm going to take a buy position on gold. Now let me explain why I have taken a buy position on gold. So first of all, you can see that I am having a blue dots here. So this is the change of a trend. Okay, now you can see that I have also received a buy signal from the arrow indicator as well, and you can see the market is pumping up. So I will wait a little. Okay, so I have taken this buy position before the arrow, so you can take a buy position after the arrow. That's not a problem, but issue is this, that it should be good that you should understand which is the trend going right now. Now you can see that basically this pink arrow was appeared some time ago, because this is the 1 minute chart on gold. Pink arrow means that this is the more confirmed trend, and after that you can see one sell arrow was appeared, then the market went down, and again there was two confirmations. First of all, look at here, still we have buying dots in the form of the blue dots. If you are able to see at my screen, then you can see this is the kind of a blue trend, and blue trend indicates here the buy positions, not the sell positions. So the market was into the trend, I took a buy position, and the other thing was also good that the market was above the middle green line as well. So it's kind of a, you can say that the moving average works here. So it's a kind of a buy signal as well. However, I am not giving very good importance to this middle green line. I am giving a importance to two things. First of all, the blue signal was there that it's a time to go up, and the second thing that I have received is this: after executing a trade, I have also received a buy signal from the arrow indicator as well. And you must know that arrow indicator give the signal and it gives the pop-up on the screen. Okay, so the pop-up come in front of your eyes, and you must have seen that we have also received a buy signal, and still it's indicating me that the market is in trend into buy. However, I'm not giving the importance to the other signals, but I just know that this is the buy signal that I have already through the this indicator. So this indicator is very powerful. If you want to take the long trading techniques, then you can take long trading as well. You can also use this for scalping as well. Now you can see from here to here, you can see the market was getting a drop, and this is the sign of a sell position, because it will change the orange lines at the top. And when the orange lines get stopped, and you will see that there is no orange line after that time, when it will just become a yellow line, then you can trust this thing that the trend is going to change. And you can see later on the trend went into the upward direction and the blue dots were arising. So this is the very powerful trading system that alerts you in a very good way, and you can see that it's working very nicely on the screen as well. So right now my trade is triggered, and you can see that was in profit, and right now it's into the little bit loss. So I will wait for the market to go into my direction, because technically the trade is very fine at the moment. Okay, so I have explained you about how to take a buy position and how to take a sell position as well. So guys, the higher the time frame you will consult, the more reliable will be the results. For example, going to the 5 minute, I have tested this indicator on 5 minute. The results were very good, because if you look at the 5 minute, then you can see that still we are into the downward trend and the market is going down. Okay, so going to the 15-minute chart, and if we go to the 15-minute chart, then guys, you can see that it looks like that if we talk about here, then you can see that the yellow lines were here, and now the trend is, it is just going to close the yellow lines, and maybe after some time we will expect a upward trend on gold. And going to the 1 hour chart, so let me show you more examples. And if we go to the 1 hour chart, then you can see a blue trend is here. So it's giving you different ideas. So make sure that it's not about looking at the all time frames. Once you are using the system, then you must consult it on a particular time frame. For example, I have executed a trade based on the 1 minute chart. Now I will stick to this time frame. Okay, so we will see that how the market behaves on this time frame. So right now we need to wait, and overall we are still into the blue trend, and that's fine for us. Okay, so guys, this is good for scalping as well as it is good for the day trading, because it's very easy to, take trades using this system. Still we have a buy arrow from the indicator, and as well as we are going with the blue dots as well. So everything is favoring us buy position, so there is no consideration about sell at the moment. The conditions are perfectly fine for taking a buy position, and just we are waiting for the market to break our entry, and then we are going to scalp this pair. So this is the gold, and I'm right now on gold. You can use it on anything, that's not issue, that it's only limited to gold. It's you can do, I mean, if you want to take a swing trade, you can try any pair, that's not a problem. So let me delete that line. Okay, so you can see overall the market is bit slow, so I'm just waiting for the market to go into my direction, because it's not far from my entry, and I'm just 13 minus. That's not a big minus, that's very reasonable. And I have a buy position, and I have also a buy signal from here as well. So you can see now the profit is coming, I'm getting 23. And now what do you think, guys? Overall the market is slow, that's why I'm not much interested in holding the trade. So I'm going to close at 34, something like this, 45, 50. You can see 49, the market already moved up, so I'm just going to close it above, and 67. So I have just closed it at $67 profit, and you can see the market is pumping up, and you must have seen from this this blue arrow that was appeared in front of eye and the front of your eyes, and the pop-up was appeared on the screen. And after that you must have seen that how strongly the market has went into the upward direction. Moreover, you must have seen these blue dots as well. These blue dots are the sign of a buying trend, not a sign of a sell trend. That's why I have executed a buy trade. So if you like this video, then guys, let me know about your thoughts into the video. Moreover, those subscribers who are willing to get this indicator, this arrow and this yellow line indicator with the blue zones and with the yellow zones, they need to contact me on the official email, that is info@200forexpips.com. You can also contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp, and you can contact me and you can get the copy of this indicator. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you.